Hello my birdies, how are you all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Keena Beauty and Lifestyle. For all those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please like, share and subscribe to it and hit the bell icon ताकि आपको मेरे videos की notification सबसे पहले मिले. In this today's video, I'm going to tell you 5 hacks about perfume and how to make it last longer. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first hack is to use a moisturizer before spraying the perfume. Grab your favorite lotion and moisturize the area properly. Guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and help me grow. The oiliness will keep the scent longer than your skin actually will. And then spray the perfume where you have applied the moisturizer. This will help the perfume stay longer. The second hack is to spray the perfume in your pulse point, that is behind your ears, behind your neck, your wrist and your elbow. The veins in these spots emit heat which helps fragrance develop faster. When you spray on the wrist, do not rub it, always dab it. The third hack is to spray perfume onto your hair to leave your hair locks with a light but lovely scent. So take a brush and take your perfume. Make sure your perfume is alcohol free. Gently spray on it and then brush your hair with it. Easy way to be more attractive, isn't it guys? For a party makeup look, I have a video, the link is in the I button. The fourth hack is, instead of taking breakable perfume bottles, soak some cotton balls or swab in your favorite scent and pack in a plastic bag and touch up your fragrance throughout the day, and the bag's gonna be light and easy. The fifth hack. Another hack is to store your perfume in a dark place and dry place as well. What I do is I keep my bottles upright in a box and store them. Avoid storing perfume in the bathroom. These were my 5 hacks about the perfume. I hope कि आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. Guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and help me grow. I'll be very grateful to you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.